recharging point, but it's 20 kilometers away. So we're going to try it out again, see if it's going to work with a bit of a twist. So hang on. Raining today, but still work and life goes on. With ample boot space, enough room for some linen to be dropped at Ariza's Airbnb that she's running. And we're going to hit a wet, rainy road now. The car is sitting on 79% after yesterday using it with the V2L, but go check the video for that. So not too much charging that we have to do today, going to be nice and quick. But let's hit the road. Let's do some planning first. Okay, so we're on the road again. Yeah, myself, Ariza, and little one. Ariza for work, me for filling the tank, and Henry as entertainment. Okay, so driving, some traffic on the way. Dropping Ariza with the linen, going to work. She's the productive one today. Driving to build a car. Beautiful views, of course, in Cape Town. Driving past our stadium as well. Beautiful route. And more mountain views, Table Mountain side. Henry chilling. Okay, we have arrived here. We're lucky, fortunate. The charger is available. Henry is still very happy or content. You see the charger is available. There's two DC chargers. Again, a beautiful Lexus also being charged here. So come out and have a test drive. So we're going to open up the cap. We grab the cable, plug it in. Plugged in. Machine is doing its thing again. I'll show it real time to show how long it takes. It's quite quick. And what's going to be next? Henry and myself have to find some entertainment, so we'll get to that right now. And they're also looking forward to see what else is up here. So there we go, the speed 20 kilowatt. So it seemed that if you charging not from 0 or less, it takes a bit from computing to figure out how fast it can charge. I know this machine is much faster. Henry's still very happy. If Henry is happy, I'm happy. But yes, it's saying 40 minutes, which is quite long for this machine because the speed here can be up to 40. Okay, so what are we going to do? Going to try and make up some time, maybe get a coffee, maybe have a walk around, see what's close by. Shoes are on, ready to hit the town. Let's go see what we find. First car going to be a Toyota or a BYD. Panel wagon, very interesting. Looking inside, very nice and spacious. Being electrical must be very awesome. Interesting things you always see at these charging stations. Beautiful vehicle pulled in. The two DC chargers are still available or not available, and we tried the AC, but it seemed like the AC one asked for payment very cheap, 5 rand connection and 1 rand per kilowatt, but that's not the speed he's looking for. Beautiful vehicle. knoppies terug, patat.
Knoppies. Daar.
Knoppies, ja. Dis nie 'n pak nie. Back to Ariza, picking her up, getting Henry nice and safe in the car. Let's go. Saying 89%, which is quite awesome. It never dropped off almost at all. Still charging 21% on 89% charge still. These BYD batteries are awesome. And we got 13 kilowatts today already. Very nice machine. Can be up to 40 kilowatts, but today we came with a battery that was pretty full. Just eking out a little bit more, but again you can see 98% and it's still charging on 21 kilowatts the whole time. Very, very solid. Which is interesting that it's actually charging quicker than the German car next to me. Definitely will come back again, but we'll need to find a bit more to do if we are here to be more productive. Driving 20 kilometers for free charging, yes, it's worthwhile. Using the time effectively, yes, today definitely was worthwhile as well. Will I do it again? Yes. Will you do it, or are you just more comfortable at home charging? So the twist is definitely not the free charging, is what you do with your time. I had some fun with Henry, and Ariza was productive on her side as well.